June 4th. It's been 94 degrees all day, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, this massive storm surged. I had to lock up. This is our sunset, as you can see. The sky is on fire, and you can see what I'm talking about through the trees. Literally sideways. This is Thursday. It's bizarre. It's like a freaky structure. But I have no idea where this storm came from. There's another big gust. It's bizarre. They obviously missed this entire forecast. I wouldn't be surprised if one of these trees snaps, including our big nut here. He's having a heyday. But enjoy the sunset. It's beautiful. See if we can zoom in for y'all. The sky is literally on fire. I don't know if you can see that. That's looking towards Tacoma, and that is looking towards Seattle. And I don't know where the storm came from, but obviously there's something coming in from over the clouds and the Olympics. And if I don't get more first. So we're all relieved to have a little bit of cooler weather as the sun gets ready to go down. I better make sure though that somebody wants to land on these complexes. No, okay, we're good. We're just a bit windy. So there goes the sun. Just as a big gust comes along. I don't know if you can all see this. My poor trees.